Harnessing the power of light, the top 7 solar-powered watches of 2025 blend cutting-edge tech, sleek design, and eco-conscious innovation. From rugged outdoor-ready timepieces like the Garmin Instinct and Casio G-Shock to refined luxury models by TAG Heuer and Seiko, each watch offers exceptional battery life, advanced features, and timeless style. Perfect for adventurers, athletes, and eco-minded enthusiasts, this selection highlights the year's brightest solar timekeepers. Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. The Garmin Instinct 2 Solar is a rugged GPS smartwatch built for adventure. Water rated to 100 meters, it's thermal and shock resistant with a durable fiber reinforced polymer case and scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. With solar charging, enjoy up to 28 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 30 hours in GPS mode. It features a 3-axis compass, barometric altimeter, and supports GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. Stay connected with smart notifications and track your health 24/7, including heart rate, sleep, and respiration. Ideal for athletes, it offers built-in sports apps, VO2 Max, and advanced training tools. Price at $207.95. Casio G-Shock MTGB 2000YBD SOLER. The Casio G-Shock MTGB 2000YBD is a premium solar-powered watch built for extreme durability and precision. Featuring Triple G resist technology, it's shock, centrifugal force, and vibration resistant. It offers 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for professional marine activities. Powered by tough solar, it charges from any light source. The Multiband 6 ensures accurate timekeeping via global radio signals, while Bluetooth smartphone link allows seamless connection for settings adjustments. Additional features include a stopwatch, countdown timer, dual time, alarms, and super illuminator LED light. With a bold, rugged design and cutting-edge functionality, it's priced at $906 US. Seiko ASTRON Solar GPX. The Seiko ASTRON GPS Solar is a highly advanced solar-powered timepiece that automatically adjusts to the correct local time anywhere on Earth using GPS signals. It features automatic time and time zone adjustment, a perpetual calendar accurate until 2100, and a power reserve of up to 6 months, or 2 years in power-saving mode. With a lightweight titanium build, sapphire crystal, and durable coating, it's built for comfort and endurance. Enhanced GPS reception ensures fast, reliable updates. This innovative watch requires no battery changes and includes a power reserve indicator. A perfect fusion of style, precision, and technology. Price at $350. Bering Slim Solar Watches. The Bering Slim Solar Watch combines minimalist elegance with eco-friendly technology. Powered by solar movement, it charges under any light source and runs for 6 to 12 months on a full charge. The sleek 40mm case is crafted from black IP-plated medical-grade stainless steel, paired with a matching Milanese strap for a refined look. A flat sapphire crystal protects the blue dial, offering high scratch resistance. With water resistance up to 5 ATM, 50 meters. It's suitable for everyday wear, including brief swims and showers. Durable, stylish, and sustainable, the Bering Slim Solar is priced at $203.15. TISSOT T-Touch Connect Solar Watch. The TISSOT T-Touch Connect Solar is a bold and innovative smartwatch designed for the modern adventurer. With a 47.50mm anti-magnetic titanium case, and a durable textile strap, this watch offers rugged performance in a lightweight design. Powered by solar energy and featuring quartz movement, it ensures reliability without frequent charging. The index dial and standard buckle closure provide a classic touch, while the quick-release strap allows easy customization. Water-resistant up to 100 meters, it handles swimming and showers with ease. Backed by a 2-year international warranty, this cutting-edge timepiece blends function and style for priced at $1,150. Garmin FENIX 7 Solar. The Garmin FENIX 7 Solar is a rugged multisport GPS smartwatch designed for endurance and adventure. Featuring a 1.3-inch always-on display and solar charging, it offers up to 22 days of battery life in smartwatch mode with sunlight exposure. Built for athletes and explorers, it includes 30+ sports apps, real-time stamina tracking, and advanced training metrics. Health monitoring features track heart rate, stress, sleep, and more. Navigate confidently with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and built-in sensors like a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter. Smart notifications, music storage, Garmin Pay, and topoactive map downloads complete this powerful all-in-one wearable. Priced at $699.99. Citizen Promaster Collection Sailhawk Solar. The Citizen Promaster Sailhawk from the Promaster collection is a feature-rich, solar-powered watch designed for sailors and globetrotters. Using eco-drive technology, it's sustainably powered by any light source and never requires a battery. It offers world time in 30 cities, a yacht racing timer, split lap time, 99-minute countdown timer, and dual alarms. The durable silver-toned stainless steel case is paired with a blue polyurethane strap and protected by mineral crystal. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's suitable for serious water activities. Stylish and functional, the Sailhawk includes a 5-year limited warranty. Priced at $440 US.